Hi guys, it's Drew here from Prepare Camping, and I bought this electronic lighter after watching Huples Cat's video a couple of weeks ago. Now this will be in addition to my regular fire lighting kit. So it comes in this nice box, and underneath we have the accessories, which is a charging cable and a lanyard. Not sure I'll be bothering that, but hey ho. So we'll put them to one side for a minute and let's look at the lighter itself. So we just open this lever and push the button, and there we go, it releases. Makes a pretty cool sound. So obviously, as a lighter, let's see if it works with some tinder. So apologies for the wobbly table. I'm just going to do some little curls on this piece of wood and see how she works. I really should do something to level this table up, to be fair. And there you go, we have fire. Success, I think. Now, this one is supposed to be waterproof, which Huples was saying was a big downfall for these sort of lighters. So let's see. Well, it's been submerged for a little while. Tip it all out and see if it still works. Let's go back to the wobbly table. So I'll just dry this off my top quickly, because the case might be waterproof, but I'm sure once I open it up it has residual water, it won't be. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'd say that's waterproof. Now you can see there's nothing on the inners, but just so I'd open it up so you can see inside. That's where you charge it with the cable I showed you before, the USB cable. So you know, just plug that in there, and then into any other device, and away you go. Be it a solar charger, a wind-up dynamo, whatever. And there you go, after it's been submerged, still works perfectly fine, so yeah, pretty cool. Huples, just get yourself a waterproof one, son. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care.